The craft group also provides therapy on site, on location, for what if it's a busy professional, someone traveling on set, someone in the entertainment industry, or a busy executive who doesn't have the time to drive over to therapy, take the hour or however long it is in therapy, and then drive back to their location. We have therapists who will travel with clients to meet their therapeutic needs or the family's needs. So for example, there is a client that we have where we can meet him on set, and in between takes, he will have therapy, and then the therapist leaves and it doesn't disrupt his life. We also have a therapist who does in-home visits, especially with the geriatric population and the geriatric addicted population. We also have therapists who will meet people in the office, and it's staged as if it's just a lunch meeting rather than a therapist coming to the office, because we operate at the highest level of confidentiality and highest level of constantly meeting the client's needs, whatever they may be.